piece of shit!
Susan, you may have the honors.
Wait, no, this is a prank! Come on, guys. Please don't do this.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Couldn't do it without you guys. Thanks.
Yes.
Rob.
My man!
Hey, that's pretty good.
こんなところじゃ終われないの。ちょっと。
Wait, Susan. Really, thank you.
Will you shut up?
I am dead!
Oh, come on! Hello? My name is Maggie, and this is my voice.
I think it suits you, Maggie.
私もそれなりに戦えるわよ。誰があんたなんかに。
Thanks.
Alright, come on, guys.
What the fuck?
Let's get out of here.
Party at Rob's.
Yeah, boy.
Welcome to my new podcast, where it will be perfect this time around. So, you wanna hear me rap?
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Put your hands in the air!